create stunning visuals in seconds, which have all the resources we need for editing a picture. Upscale option, relight the image, remove the background, reset the background and remove person, remove text. So we have multiple options. We can doodle. Let us see now.
Welcome to Buvis e-learning. New viewers, do subscribe, press the like and bell button.
So in this video we are going to see very interesting AI website which is ClipDrop. So let us see what it does. Okay, so ClipDrop has multiple tools. First of all, it has cleanup, image upscaler, relight, remove background, replace background, reimagine Excel, stable diffusion, Excel, stable doodle, text remover, uncrop, and it's the gallery also. So first of all I will show you each tool with an example. First, stable diffusion, let us generate an image. In this we will give a command, so we will type a text, it will generate us and more images related to the given text. So first I will give fishes, sorry, in prompt I will give fishes, or I'll give dogs with cute smile. So here I will click generate. So this website ClipDrop has a paid version also. You can subscribe if you want anything. So it will generate us, and if you want more you have to subscribe. Let us see multiple images in this. I will give some other word also. White dogs with smile. Let me give white dogs, white dog smile. Let us give particular color also to specify the dog. So it takes a few seconds. If you need to quick access, you can subscribe to it. See, we have multiple images over here. Here, however, for free version we will get the watermark in the picture. To avoid watermark you can subscribe it. So let us see the other options also in this and the tools, how it works. Next, let us see Uncrop. In this, let us paste a image from my desktop. Let me give teddy here. Okay, let us click next. See, actually we have pasted a small picture here, only the flower and teddy. It has generated multiple options like second picture which has a gift box at the back and 4 more roses at the down. See, they have uncropped and remade the picture here. So we have multiple options over here to uncrop. We have given a small picture and we received a big one. Next, we can customize here either in landscape, portrait or square, or the sizes you can give over here. Let us go for the other options. First we have the scene diffusion, next uncrop. See, for example they have shown here a tutorial. Next, Reimagine Excel, which gives the clear cut image. If we have blurred images, it will clear the blur and give a clear picture. Let me show you a best example now. Let me give the another photo. See, we have given us this picture, but what we got with multiple options, we can just get a new ideas to the given picture by changing the angles. So this one, next we will have wonderful options over here. Stable doodle, which is my favorite actually. Just I'm going to give a rough sketch of a duck. Just I'm doodling it. Let us have sun over here. And here let it be improper also, that's no problem. We can give in the prompt as duck and the sunlight. Generate. So it fetches some pictures. See, we have received the 3 pictures. In that the center one is the most appropriate one. So we have got the sunlight also. If you need to download this picture, we can download it in here. So this is my favorite tool. Next, clean up. So in this, let us see an example. So let us take this image. We have here brush size. Let me reduce it to this. See, now I will remove this specs and mobile over here. Okay, just click this. So we have nothing over here. So this AI is very wonderful to try it for you. Next one, remove background. Next, relight option is there. Image upscaler and replace background. We can change the background. Let me show you remove background also over here. We can paste multiple pictures over here. I'll give peacock. Just click remove background. See, we have got only the peacock picture alone. We have removed the background. We can download it and we can view over here. See, so it's a wonderful tool. Next we will see the relight option. Just you can this one is known to everyone actually. Image upscaler. Just let us choose this option again. Upscale. See, now our image will be blurred over here. Just see the door lines and the shining of the bottle. You can see the clarity now. See the difference between the old image and the new image. This will be wonderful. Next, text remover. Let me choose here. Just in this picture I have given only Buvis e-learning. Just remove text, downscale and continue. See, the text has been removed. If you want, you can download it later. I hope you were enjoying this wonderful video. If you like this video, do subscribe, share to your friends, press the like button and bell button for notification. Thank you.